And look, this is part two, but why we're whispering is because this will stop him from coming in the damn kitchen when I'm cooking. So I ain't gonna say nothing less than just wait. Well, yeah, all you niggas hate cameras. He negative, okay. Sure, I don't want the man from you too, so I can show him. Boy, if I can't hear, so you know I see that. And look, I tell you, like, oh, almost get busted. Like people put their stuff in the bag to throw it down the chute. When we deal with no stink, just baiting them, just waiting. We could be putting one in here. We put about this much, I don't know how much. Just cover it good. Cause we gonna creep on the low. That's enough, I think. If he say you can put this in the oven if it gets still out. So now we'll stir the pasta. Whatever. See, I can't cook, but I can read the hell out some instructions. Okay. Let's stir this. And we put the... I can't put this crap in the oven on the phone. I wish you could come. I can teach my lesson, yeah. Just ain't that diabolical on a Sunday. I'm just waiting for John. I am John, I would say. So we do that for about 11 minutes. The instructions say 11 minutes, let the pasta. Put y'all down for a minute, Brian. Okay, I put it in the oven on the temperature around 250. Let that cook until it's nice and tender. I say if it's 10:42 now, 11, 12, 1, 2, round 3, it'll be nice and tender. Let that boil 11 minutes. Then we add this seasoning, and we use Hellmann's. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. But see, I can't. Okay, I don't need meat. I don't know how them people do it. Okay, so I want to bait them so bad, but I can't say nothing to bait them. We're just here. I'm telling y'all, every move I make. Oh, shh. Got the camera. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, baby.
Mm-hmm. You ain't coming here today, huh?
Yeah.
What no, you back there. You usually come here. Oh, I'm filming now. I'm filming. Do you want the people on YouTube to see you naked?
No.
Okay, because I can bend over this counter. Well, it's Sunday,
Yeah,
y'all.
we
I'm
got
sorry.
the video right now.
Okay, but anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get off of here because I got some work to finish. And see, all of this is him. He lose it and just see it go buy another one. Yeah, ain't that true, baby? You do. You lose these earpods like one and just say, oh, I get another one. That's the truth, ain't it?
Yeah.
I don't know why, but he naked, y'all. But I don't want to get my channel banned. Okay, bye, y'all. And remember, let me finish. See, you have me all confused. I can't even finish. Now, you drain that pasta after 11 minutes with cold water. After the cold water, then you put it back in the pan and you add your mix. And you get like, I would say 3 tablespoons of this stuff and mix it up down. After you mix it up, it's ready to serve. He gonna make the vegetable later, like I said. But then, look what time it is, and you all finished with, see the time, Chicago time? You all finished with your part of the dinner. Okay, y'all. I gotta go do some work. Okay, happy Sunday.